Welcome to IQ Tamil SP YouTube channel. This is time for finding squares. Here the question: how many squares are here? We can identify one square easily, but in this picture, here are some squares you have to count and add big squares also. This is another picture with squares. Here also you have to count one by one and add big size squares also. So this is take too many time. So now I am going to tell some tips to find easily within a short minute. Okay, but it will work out with a condition. What is the condition? There will be equal number of squares in both sides of this square. Look here. In this picture, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 squares in this side. At the same time, here also 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. Here, this side and this side have same number of squares. When we use these tips, this is the condition. Equal squares will be in this picture. Here also we can find 5 squares and 5 squares in the both side. So let's go to the tip. I'm going to tell a small trick. When you find this type of squares, first you have to count these type squares and this side squares. Here is one square and here is one square. So you have to multiply it. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So here is one square. Okay, let's write another square. Look here. Let's count this type squares 1 and 2. Now this side 1 and 2. Both sides have same number of squares. So you are going to multiply it like this. First 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Then 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Now you have to add this together. For 1 and 4 is equal to 5. So how many squares are here? There are 5 squares are here. So the answer is 5. Okay, I think you got the answer. Let's try another one. Look here. Now we are going to count the side part of squares. 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. There are same number of squares in both sides. So we can't use the trick. First we have to multiply 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Then 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Now we are going to add all together. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So the answer is 14. You can identify here 14 squares. Okay, let's try another one. Look here. First, you have to count the side of squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's multiply. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 3, 9. 4 into 4, 16. Now we have to add all together. 16 into 4, 20. Then 9 plus 1 is 10. So 16 plus 4 is 20. Then 9 plus 1 is 10. All together here are 30 squares. So the answer is 30 squares. Let's put it. Okay, let's try the last one. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here are 5 squares. Here are 5 squares. So the condition is work out here. Let's start. One into 1 is equal to 1. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. And 4 into 4 is equal to 16 at last. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Now we are going to add all together. So let's start. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 25 is 30. Then 30 plus 16 is 46. 46 plus 9 is 46 plus 9 is 55. So the answer is 55. So let's write here. The answer is 55. Okay, I think you got the trick. So you can use the trick whenever possible. You have to count the side squares side by side squares. Look here, I tell here you have to count this type first, then this type. These will be the same. When you feel that squares are same, you can use this trick. Okay, another time I will meet you with another trick. You have to subscribe my channel to follow my tricks. So please subscribe and press the notification button. IQ Tamil SP YouTube channel. Thank you.